Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis, guys. It's Wednesday. Today is that day of FOMC. It's Tuesday, by the way. Sorry, it's Wednesday. So you can see that around 8, actually, a few minutes ago, 24 minutes ago, we had CPI for GBP and it went a little bit lower, so which means it's a bit weak. Currently GBP is a bit weak. So later on we have FOMC, or Federal Funds Rate meeting. So this is going to be interesting. So I don't really recommend that anyone can trade, especially this time. Everyone will be focusing on this news, unless if you're trading something that doesn't have to do with the dollar. So tomorrow then we're going to also remember when they release the news, there is a chance that the market might not actually move that much, because the most important thing is going to be on the FOMC press conference. This is going to actually help us to understand what will happen next. Are they go if they increase or pause the rates here? So what will happen next? Are they going to increase the rates or cut the rates? That is going to be important, and for investors, that they know that okay, in few months time interest rates are going to be going lower. That is good actually to invest. I hope you understand that. So on the other side, which is Thursday, we have interest rates from GBP from Britain. I don't know what will happen here, but I still believe that maybe they might pause with the rates or increase. I can see here the estimate says they might increase. And also around 2:30, there is unemployment claims or jobless claims. So this affects mostly gold and Nasdaq and US30s. Friday, its PMI is going to be crazy the whole day, actually, from 8, 9, 10 and around to 4 there. So it's going to be crazy. So for those who wants to be part of the team, listen to this one. Actually, these are our normal prices, and I think I've been actually pushing the special for quite some time. This is the special that we have, so I decided to actually stop this special actually this weekend. Why? Now we're going back on our normal price. The reason behind that is I put enough work behind every signal or every service that I offer. So that's $20, guys, or $19. It was for few people who maybe was or were not actually able to join. So I think maybe they joined. Whoever who joined, maybe yes, they found that it's actually affordable. If not, then after, sorry, these are our normal prices. So from next week, Monday, we're going back to our normal prices. Hey, we work so hard, guys. We work so hard. So, let's go on the market. We smashed US30 yesterday. You can see we even touched the take profit. Unfortunately, I don't really trade much of currency pairs, but obviously they did smash this very nice. But just to show people something behind this, I've been actually scalping this on my free time. I don't really trade currency pairs that much, but when I'm bored, sometimes I end up scalping some of this. But this is actually supposed to be a swing trade. The reason behind that, on my bigger time frame, you can see that the market actually touched these levels. You can see these areas of resistance. So this shows that we are actually on a downtrend and on a bigger time frame. Just imagine if you sold here. I saw it from here. I was just scalping, but somewhere around along the way I did get out. But just imagine holding it up to where it is now, and obviously it will still push to the lower side. See, that is a very nice opportunity. This is a very nice opportunity which doesn't really present itself that much. Not often you can't just get this type of moves every time. So this is a very nice opportunity. I think we can still have enough sell. The market is like 40% there. I think we left with 60% to reach this lowest area, where we can say yes, maybe the market will be trying to push the upside around these levels. You see that. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So now let's go to the work. Let's go straight to the work. What's really happening on DXY? DXY. The market is been actually showing us that it's pushing to the upside. This is a daily time frame. You can easily see that the market is been actually on a very nice uptrend. Now it seems like it's gonna push a little bit lower, which is good because we want Nasdaq to push to the upside. Currently Nasdaq and US30, they are on their support area. So I'm expecting maybe DXY to push a little bit lower, but the decider is going to be Fomc later on, so we're not going to trade that much. We're not going to actually do anything currently until the news comes out. So you can see that I've been updating you actually about this uptrend. Where we are now, I can say we had a previous resistance. I thought maybe the market was going to respect this and push up, but the market did the opposite. The market seems to be trying to break. So there is a chance that the market can still go back here around this support area and start to push the upside. That is possible. The market can do that. And this sell is going to help us actually to do what? To actually have a nice bullish momentum on the likes of Nasdaq. So actually, I don't really want to take enough time. Let me just push to the next one. The next one is actually GBP. What's really happening on GBP? Actually, GBP USD, as I showed you, there was a CPI which was actually a bit lower, which means, let me just go on a daily time frame, which means we're going to see it trying to push lower, but it's difficult on this one because tomorrow there is also interest rate for British pound, so which means we might still see the market reversing along the way, or maybe we might see the market playing around, you see. But the bigger picture here is the market just broke out of that support area I've been preaching. So now I'm expecting the market to do what? To push even lower, because the dollar is going to get stronger, especially today. But that might change because tomorrow there is also interest rates for GBP. So we'll see what is going to happen. But the bigger picture here is, yes, we are actually still on a very nice sell structure. I'm expecting maybe just because this is an aggressive push by the news, I think we might see another pushing a bit higher before we see a very nice sell. There, I think I am sure that we're gonna actually have a very long, or we can just call it a swing trade for a sell. I think the market can give us something very nice there. So let's push to the next one, as I don't really want to waste enough time. Let's go on a daily time frame and see what's really happening on Euro USD. On Euro USD, very straightforward, quite similar to what we saw on GBP USD. The market was actually on a very nice uptrend. The market broke out of that support. So what do we expect? We expect the market to do what? To change the trend and start to push the lower side. I'm expecting the market to actually continue with this downtrend. Already we started with this downtrend, but I think the desire is going to be they might increase the rates. If they don't really increase the interest rates for US, we might see the market pushing up. If not, it means we will see maybe the market pushing lower. But with the structure, with technical structure, what I see here is I see that the market is actually on a downtrend, and I'm expecting to do what? To continue selling. That's what I see there. So that's what I see. And where the market is actually on a very nice structure where I can say it's actually a very good time for us to think about selling. So let's go actually on a 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. So guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We have a Patreon to support the channel. You can go check that in my description, and there's also exclusive stuff there, so for those who want to learn, actually they can go there and check those videos. So what's really happening, you can see that when we go a little bit closer, yes, the structure allows us to say we can still say the market will continue with this downtrend, and we are actually on this previous support. Now it's going to be our resistance, so there is a chance that the market can find a resistance there and respect that and start to push to the lower side. I'm waiting for that. I think once the market bounces back, we will be checking actually that. So let's check and see. Let's push to the next one, which is gold. The next one, which is actually gold. Gold is doing its thing, guys. Previously, a few weeks ago, the market was actually on a very nice uptrend. Guess what? We saw a breakout. Now the market is pushing lower. Now the market was going down, and we called this downtrend. Now the market is back again. It's now trying to push the upside. So this confusion here, I understand. Sometimes most people, maybe they lost around here because maybe they thought the market was going to continue with that sell, then the market bounces back. But there is a chance, guys, that even today, it seems like the gold is very stronger, but things might change. They can change very quick. So let me just draw maybe a few lines here. I had something like that there because this area, it was a previous resistance, and I can see even there the market did respect. Now we see the market retesting here, so there is a chance for the market to do what, to push the upside, which means the dollar is gold is stronger actually than the dollar. Or we can say the dollar is getting weaker. So what I see here, I tried to draw the support. It doesn't really make sense. It's still very early. So which means we're gonna wait for proper structures. We're going to wait for the market to create those structures. Then we can able to connect them. I hope you understand that. We can able to connect those structures after. So, and sorry. But someone can say, Kenzo, can I scalp this? Yes, you can, because the market shows that it's actually pushing to the upside. We can have something like this, very nice. Simple as that, you see. The market is now jumping to the upside. That is a very good thing. But the structure, we don't really have solid structure that we can say, yes, this is going to continue like this or that, you see. So now we are actually on US30. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. We saw the market selling yesterday, guys. Just as this thing made us to lose. We thought maybe the market was going to push the upside. Guess what? We took a hit there, but it's fine. So what's really happening? The bigger picture is still telling us that I'm still actually on an uptrend. Yesterday we saw a sort of a breakout, but that maybe it was a fake breakout, because on the daily time frame we can easily see that it's just a wick there, or a tail, you see. So what I'm expecting, actually, I'm expecting maybe the market to still push to reach around 3,500, around the 35,000, by the way. So around that area. So, but the market might just play games. Remember, we actually have Fomc, but what I like is the market is still playing around our support. We have this aggressive breakout there, but it seems like the market is trying to recover that very, very quick. I'm hoping to have another buy. Let's hope that we're not going to be wrong. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for the market. I'm just going to wait for the market, for the news. And once I understand what's really happening, then I can say, okay, I'm going long on Nasdaq or US30. I'm just going to hold this for maybe 2 weeks or a week or something like that. But mostly I'm a day trader. If the profit is enough, I just get out. I don't have to wait for 2 weeks or something like that. You see, that's what I'm expecting. So I'm expecting to see the market doing what? Pushing to the upside. Yes, along the way we can be wrong, but most of the time we are right, guys. So what's really happening? Actually, this month, guys, this month I think we had some serious market changes, which at the end of the day, it was actually not really good for us. So now what's really happening on a Nasdaq, you can easily see that, yeah, things are still quite the same as last week, the same as what I showed you a few days ago. I'm still expecting a buy. We had a very nice support area. I thought maybe the market was going to break that, but the market did not really break. I saw that breakout. Obviously, it's a fake breakout on US30. But when we check here, you can easily see that, yes, the market just touched this area and bounced back. So I'm still expecting to see a buy, but even though the buy might not really just happen instantly, we might see some consolidation before we see a proper buy structure. But the overall structure, guys, you can also do your homework. The overall structure is actually on a bullish momentum, which means I'm still expecting to actually look for that buy. I'm expecting to buy, guys. So yeah, you can see there the market is also trying to push the upside. I'm expecting the market to push the upside. So for those who wants to join the team, guys, you can see that are our normal prices. So this is actually the special that we had from the start of this month. Then this weekend, then we're going to say goodbye. And yes, the reason behind that, guys, we work behind the scene. So every price that you see is actually too small, you see. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.